Welcome to our video, where we'll delve into some savvy strategies for making the most out of your classroom board. We're about to unlock the secrets of effective board usage, covering everything from dividing the board to standing and writing on it. So, let's dive in. Let's kick things off by talking about how dividing the board can be a game changer. It's like creating a roadmap for learning, making things more organized and engaging. Here are a few techniques you can try. A. Vertical divisions. Picture this: multiple columns that bring out the best in presenting different categories, comparing ideas, or unveiling a step-by-step process. Each column becomes a gateway to a distinct concept or topic. B. Horizontal divisions. Divide the board vertically into multiple columns. This division is useful when presenting different categories, comparing ideas, or showcasing a step-by-step process. Each column can represent a distinct concept or topic. C. Quadrant divisions. Ever thought of turning your board into a quadrant wonderland? Draw 2 vertical and 2 horizontal lines, and voila! It's a powerhouse for analyzing multiple dimensions, hosting group activities, or comparing different perspectives. Each quadrant has its own story to tell: the unique viewpoint, a group's contribution, or a specific aspect of a larger topic. Let's zoom in on some common sections you can create. 1. Introduction section. Kick things off by jotting down learning objectives, key concepts, or a general outline of the lesson. It's like giving your students a roadmap to navigate the learning journey. 2. Content section. Focus on the board's core by dedicating space to showcase main content. Simplify with bullet points, diagrams, or mind maps, covering key concepts, definitions, formulas, or steps for easy student understanding. 3. Example section. Give your content life with practical examples. Dedicate space for problem solving, calculations, or real-world applications. It's the aha moment for your students. It includes key concepts, definitions, formulas, or steps to help students understand and follow the material being taught. 4. Interactive section. Create a space for students to jump into the action. This is the playground for group activities, brainstorming sessions, or collaborative problem solving. Encourage students to grab a marker and contribute. It's all about teamwork and engagement. Now, let's dive into the art of standing and writing on the board. Here are some game-changing best practices that will take your board skills to the next level. 1. Positioning. Take a side seat literally. Stand off to the side, avoiding unintentional stardom as the board-blocking hero. This way, everyone gets a front row seat to your lesson. 2. Clear and visible writing. Make your mark count. Write legibly, use bold markers or chalks for visibility, and steer clear of cursive. Keep it straight and simple. The clearer, the better. 3. Speaking and writing. Multitasking isn't just for smartphones. While writing, sprinkle in some explanation. It's like a dynamic tag team that helps students grasp concepts faster. 4. Engage with students. Break the invisible barrier. Maintain eye contact, encourage questions, and make your lesson a two-way street. It's the secret sauce for an interactive and engaging class. And now, let's sprinkle in a few more tips to be effective with your board. Erase and update regularly to avoid clutter. Use colors or highlighters to emphasize key points. Spice things up with multimedia elements for an extra punch. Manage your time wisely to balance board activities and lesson progress. When explaining complex processes or equations, break them down into smaller steps. Write each step clearly, explaining as you go. Encourage student participation by inviting them to come up and write on the board. This fosters an active learning environment and allows students to practice what they've learned. To sum it up, These strategies are your tools. Wield them according to your teaching style and lesson content. Experiment with different divisions to find what clicks best with you and your students. After all, it's not just a board, it's a canvas waiting for your teaching magic. Thanks for watching.